We are back. We are back. Hello. Animal Crossing coming up. Starting our run. We didn't play yesterday. Tom's back in the BB shirt. Tom's back in the BB shirt. Goose and I reconciled our relationship. And all is right in the land of Vernons. Everything is cool. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's go do some work for a change. Big fart. Big farter. Oh, we can't hold any more letters. Later, Mark. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for the subs. Oh, Crazy Red's gonna be here? On March 11th? At 6 p.m.? Guys, we can go see Crazy Red today. That's cool. Stop by. Maybe he'll have... Oh, wait. We spent all of our bells with our house. Yo. Okay. What do these letters got to say to me? From Dozer. Hey, I thought I'd write to you before I... Damn, this is a fucking Guy Fieri-ass letter. Hey, I thought I'd write you before I ate lunch. I went shopping in the next town over. I picked this up for you. Nice, huh? Right again, all right? Best, Dozer. What'd you get me? What'd you get me, Dozer? You purple bear? The Jersey barrier. What the hell is that? The HRA hates our house. Yeah, whatever. What's a Jersey barrier? Do we keep it? Are we keeping the Jersey barrier? Oh, wow. Thanks, Dozer. It's really nice in here. You think this looks good? With my... whatever. Whatever, man. What's up with the notice board? Attention, residents of Vernons. The spring sports season is upon us. Stretch those winter-weary limbs and take part in the annual spring sport fair. When is that? Oh, it's raining. Well, I better get my damn umbrella. Where's my umbrella? Shit. Alright. Cool. It's raining outside, man. I'm not trying to catch a cold. Oh, we gotta look for Dwayne. That way he can give us some money. He did a spin and he didn't change into anything. Uh-oh. What's up, Dozer? I like your dress. Oh, he's not wearing the bear clothes anymore. It's been raining down here. I like the rain, man. I like the rain, man. Maybe this is... Oh, he fell asleep. Bro, you just fell asleep? Oh, man. That ain't it. Oh. The damn rock's at. It's a good one. This looks like a good rock. Nope. Nope, that rock don't fuck with us. Pull that weed. What's up, Goose? What are we doing today, Goose? How are you today? I'm glad you apologized, you bastard. What's going on? April. April is when they hold the sports fair. He's excited. He's an athletic Chicken man. 841 sit-ups. That's good, man. It's good for you. Pull these weeds. This one might be it. No. It's 7:19. I do appreciate the sun being out past 6. I do. And it is nice to look up at my window and see that there's still daylight outside. You know? But like everybody else, this time change is kind of fucking me up. Hopefully by tomorrow everything will be feeling normal. Peaches is always in her house, which I can't blame her. It is raining outside. What do you got for me? The Jersey barrier? You want 3,000 bells for it? Yeah, dude, take it. I borrowed a Jersey barrier from a friend, but then I lost it. Ah, I see. Pleasure doing business with you. Okay. Well, that was nice and easy to get rid of. Tom probably would have given me like $2 for it, so I don't mind that one bit. Oh, shit. Oh, they're talking. Oh, he got a cool-ass fuck... Oh, he's sad about that? You're sad that you got a dope-ass fucking fire umbrella? I don't know, man. That seems a little... Seems a little greedy. Where's Tangy? Oh, there you are. With your orange umbrella. She's always got her fucking... She's always... What's the word? She's always matching, man. I love the way you talk. No one else in this village ever says "reour," so it makes me feel weird saying it all the time. Can you think of something that sounds better? Yes. Thank you. Just think of something cool. What's a cool thing for her to say? What's a cool thing that you would teach your little nephew to say to her parents? Oh, no. And we'll just go with the classic 6, 7. We'll see how this will age. 6, 7. Yeah, it does sound pretty hip. I like it already. I'm gonna start saying it all the time from now on. Hell yeah, we did our job. We did our job. And Dwayne is still nowhere to be found. Cowabunga! That's a good one too. Damn it. Why did I teach her how to say 6, 7 instead of cowabunga? You don't have any lost items again? You guys are fucking useless. Oh my god. Cowabunga. Next time some... Ooh! Crazy Red is here. Yeah, let me see. What do you got? What do you got? Show me what you got. Take me in your tent. Take me into your tent, man. Take me into the market. With the black conveniently scratched out. Let me take a look at your wares, man. Let me see what you got. This would go... This is really nice. A maple bonsai. 6,800 bells? I'll come back for it. I'll come back for it. I want that maple bonsai. I'm gonna sell some stuff, come back and buy that maple bonsai. That's some good shit right there. Maybe we'll have enough after we find the money rock. Because that's a really nice piece of plant to put into our home. Fuck. It's gotta be around here somewhere. That's a rock. Nope. We never really hit this one, do we? It's kind of in a fucked up position. We don't ever really hit this one, so that means it has to be this one. You know what I mean? Never mind. It'd be this rock. This is a mighty fine, strong-looking rock. Yes! Go, 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 go! It should be enough to get us to where we can buy the maple tree. 18 grand, baby, let's go.
I've got balls of steel.
Damn right I do. Let's fucking go. Where is he? Where did he go? Is he... Where did he go? Yeah. Oh. I want the maple tree, man. Stop yapping, let me in. Goodness gracious, shut up. Yeah, I'll take this, man. $6,800 bells? You got it, dude. Give it to me. He's a sleazeball, but sometimes... What is this? This looks nice, too. A wine jar? $7 grand? Give me the wine jar. Alright, we got some... We came out like a bandit, actually. I hope he made some money. He's a reputable salesperson. Nobody better take this shit from me. I'm gonna be pissed if somebody takes my maple bonsai from me. You'll be like, oh my god, Jeremy, you have the maple bonsai? I've been looking for that forever. Can I buy it for you for 200 bells? Fuckers. I'm coming into your home. Emerald. How are you today? It's raining and you're inside? You're a frog. Yeah, Crazy Red is pretty unscrupulous. Oh, she doesn't trust him. I do. He sold me some dope ass shit. There's Amelia. What's up? What's up, girl? I love when it was raining. It was raining earlier today. It was very comfy. It's very comfy. I wish it didn't stop. What's new? My room has absolutely no personality. It really doesn't. I need to... 5,000 bells. Do you want an exotic? No. Everybody is always trying to sell me the ivy wall. And the ivy wall is just... such shit. I don't know why people keep trying to sell it to me. The ivy wall has a fucking chokehold on this town, man. Then we get to go see Candy. Oh, and Leonardo. I forgot Leonardo's here too. Leo. My man. He's not here. Oh, the chestnuts grew. Cool. Where's Leonardo? And Candy is missing. I wonder where they could be. Oh well. I guess we'll go to Tom Nook's house. See if he has anything worth looking at. Lately he hasn't. Lately he's had shit. He's had fuck all. But hopefully... He has a traffic cone. He has a fucking traffic cone. Tom, you've been sucking it up. A shanty mat. Let me see it. Oh, it's ass, Tom. Tom, it looks like shit. Looks like shit, Tom. A floral wall. Yeah, let's take a look at that. Oh, I like this wallpaper, but I don't have a need for it. Should probably get some... Oh, there's probably some paper at the damn... Tom, your store is really, really sucking lately. It's really annoying that Tom hasn't had any good wares lately. It's dump time. It's dump time. It's time to see what's at the dump. We got 2 pieces of paper still. Bamboo paper. Felt paper. I'll take that. And another shirt. An MVP shirt. We can sell this. Hey, we can sell this too. Let's go sell this. As far as I'm concerned, today has been a mighty fine day in the town of Vernon's. Very cool, very nice, very chill. Crazy Red is here. We got some cool plants to put into our home. Tom Nook is gonna buy our shit. Sell this and sell this. Nope. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Let's go put our furniture in our home. It's new furniture time. Our home is getting kind of filled with clothes. The maple bonsai here. Looking good. And the wine jar can go in this corner. I like the wine jar a lot. The wine jar is pretty sick. Wine jar is pretty good. We need to figure out what we're going to be doing. We only have 1 March ticket. Oh, Lord. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. It's raining. Last time it was raining, we almost caught the coelacanth. It barely just escaped our grip. Let's see if we can catch it today. Because it is raining. And we have enough time to try and search for one. I think we're gonna have some good luck. You have some good luck looking for it. That is a big guy right there. It's spring now. It's not... I think this is like when you find coelacanth. Oh, we gotta go talk to Sable. Come get it. Nice. Octopus. Sable cooking up the sweet fucking houndstooth design? Fuck yeah. We need to come up with a design for Vernon's. No fish. Squid. Sea bass? Okay. Man, I love fishing. We need to make the MILF shirt. Make the MILF shirt in Animal Crossing. It'll be our fishing shirt. We need a better way to cross over this bridge or this river. It's not efficient. Waste time. Come get it, man. Come get the bait, dude. I'm kind of killing it. I'm kind of killing it today. Today's the day we catch the big boy. We're catching that big motherfucker today. I don't give a damn. I don't give a shit. You fucker. We're slowly running out of time. Slowly. Oh, that looks like a big dude. Ooh, fast, quick. Not coelacanth, but it is a big fish shadow. Where'd you go? Precious, beautiful, gorgeous. Oh, I fucked it. Oh, I fucked it. Damn it! I got excited. Oh, it's a fucking Jew, man. Littering in my bay. In my ocean. Ocean is not your garbage can. It's an ocean. It's good for you. I think we're close to paying off our second house, too. Which is good. We don't really have much to put into it right now. Because Tom Nook is not... Tom Nook is not... is doing everything within his power to not have good items at his shop. It's, quite crazy, actually. they're claiming, the biggest claim so far of 2026 is that Tom Nook is kind of on the rocks right now. His store might be going under, and that he renovated it as a method to try and drum up business. But we can see through that. We can see through that, Tom. 3 more fish. No coelacanth today. It's gotta spawn somewhere, man. It's like shiny hunting, except nowhere near as awful, I guess. Oh, there's a crab over there. Put the shell down. One more fish to catch? Come on. We gotta find a coelacanth, man. Oh shit, there's a big guy there. Looks like a cockroach. Let's go get this guy. Nice. It is a roach! Nice. I don't think that that's gonna sell for a lot of money. Roach in my pocket. If you say that to the right person, they'll get excited. It's a roach. The roach emoji looks pretty good. I don't think we're gonna get the coelacanth today, guys. We're on the hunt for it. It's evading us. Whatever. Whatever, let's go sell this nonsense to Tom Nook. Write our letter. And then we got a new game that I found. Actually, I've had this game in my library for like since December. Haven't had the chance to play it, so we're gonna play it today. And maybe we take a crack at returning to an old classic, an old stream classic. If you're a stream OG, you know this one. But we're gonna see if Omega Strikers has improved since we've stopped playing it. We're going back to Omega Strikers, ladies and gentlemen. We're revisiting Omega Strikers. We're going to see. We're gonna see if the game is good again. If that doesn't happen today, it'll happen tomorrow. But it's been a while. It's been a long time since we played Omega Strikers. Bamboo paper. Alright, we're gonna send this off to... We haven't written to Jeremiah. Hi, my frog friend. I hope you are mad chilling during this rainy. I hope you're mad chilling during this rainy weather. You are a frog. A frog. So soak it all up. Ugh. That's good. Hi, my frog friend. I hope you are mad chilling during this rainy weather. You are a frog, so soak it all up. From Jeremy. Yes, this is perfect. He's gonna love this. He's actually gonna think that this is the greatest letter ever written to him. Phyllis, send this letter. Send this letter for me. That's it. All right. What a beautiful, epic, wonderful day in the town of Vernon's. We didn't talk to Candy or Leonardo today. I wonder where they could have been. But, oh well. Oh well, oh well. We're gonna go ahead and load up that next game.